Hi guys, welcome to Josie channel.
Quarter 3, Week 7, Day 1. Here are the objectives. First, describe how sound travels. Second, infer that sound travels through liquids. Third, describe the sound that an object produces. Come on, let's have fun while learning. To review our past lesson, please answer this question. How does sound travel in solids? Very good. Sound travels most quickly through solids because the molecules of a solid are closer together. Take a look at this picture. Can sound travel through water? That's right. When someone is swimming under the water, he or she can hear all the sound coming from the poolside. To better understand our lesson, let's have a group activity. It was entitled, How Does Sound Travel in Liquids? Here are the materials. Pail of water and 2 pieces of stones. All you have to do is, first, get a big pail of water. Get 2 pieces of stones and heat them together under water inside the pail. Be careful not to spill the water when you tap the stones. Third, observe what happens when the stones hit each other. And lastly, hit them together out of water. Here is a sample learner's data that you are going to accomplish. You're going to observe what will happen on the water and on air. If you don't have the materials with you, you can watch the simple video clip. Please watch and observe. And now, let's have your group presentation. Did you hear sounds when you hit the 2 stones together outside the pail and underwater? Why? Were you able to produce sound underwater when you hit 2 stones together? You're right. A sound was produced. Which sound was louder? In air or water? Why do you think so? So based on your activity, how sound travel through water? Very good. Which is faster? Sound travel on air or sound travel on water? Why? In most liquids, the particles are not attracted strongly to each other as those in solid particles. Sound waves tend to move a little less quickly and bounce back less easily than in a solid. Sound waves tend to travel more slowly in liquid than in most solids. To check if you really understood our lesson, please do this activity. Write correct if the statement is right and wrong if it is not. Please write it in your notebook. Let's check your answers. For number 1, sound travel through air. The answer is correct. Number 2, sound travel through water. The answer is correct. Number 3, in liquids, the particles are attracted strongly to each other. The answer is wrong. Number 4, sound waves tend to travel more slowly in liquid than in most solids. The answer is correct. And lastly, strong waves mean weak sound. The answer is wrong. I do hope you get a perfect score. For your assignment, explain how sound travels in liquid or water. That's all for today, kids. Thank you, kids, for listening. See you again next time. Stay safe, everyone. God bless.
Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Please also click the subscribe button. Thank you.